Verbs you need every day to learn English in your daily life. Let's go!
To pour. To drink. To sip.
To open. To go. To close. To open. To come. To shut the curtains. To shut off the curtains. To water the plants. The plants are so beautiful. The flowers are so beautiful. I give. I take. I put. Put my armor on to show how strong I am. I put my armor on to show how strong I am. I sing. I sing terribly. I write. My handwriting is terrible. I stick. I turn the calendar. I take the toothpaste. I screw the toothpaste. I unscrew the toothpaste. Now, I take out the paste. I take out the toothpaste. I wash my hands with soap. I get dirty hands. I wash my hands with soap. I block the sink. I block the sink or faucet. I cut. I tear the paper. I throw the paper. I fold the paper. I crumble the paper. I throw the paper. I'll make a glass of hot water. I turn on the switch, but I'll not turn the switch with my hands. I'll turn on the switch with the stick. Now I'll turn on the stove. I'll function. Now I will fix the volume of heat. Now I'll make a glass of hot water.